In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove overlapping lines between two shapes. If you are layering adhesive vinyl, if you layer one color on top of another color, or even the same colors, you'll see where it overlaps. So to eliminate that, you need to take out that space that is between those two layers. So I'll show you what I'm talking about here. If I come over here to my document panel and lower the workspace alpha, or even go to preview, you can see where these are overlapping. So if I were to put this white on top of the red vinyl, you would be able to see those lines. Now from a distance it's okay, but personally it bothers me. So come back to my layers panel. First of all, for both of these demonstrations, you can only have 2 layers. So if you have 6 layers, you're going to have to do 2 at a time. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and select this, hold shift, select that other white one. They're gray so you can see them on screen, but technically I would cut them out of white. And then I'm going to go to object merge. Okay. And then I need to have the red hat on the bottom. So whatever I'm cutting into needs to be on the bottom. Whatever I'm using as, let's call it a cutter, that needs to be on the top. All right. So I'm going to select both of these layers, and I'm going to actually make a copy because I need one for my other demonstration. And then I'm going to select both. I'm going to copy, right click, paste in place. That way I know they're exactly on top of each other. Okay. And I have the top 2 selected. So with those selected, I can go to, I'm actually going to turn these two off, the 2 underneath, so I can just select them this way. And then I can go to Effects, Knockout, and if I preview, you'll see that that is going to cut out. So I'm going to just click OK. Now you can add an offset here, a gap, if you want a gap in between here, but I don't, so I'm going to just leave it at 0 and click OK. And then I can select this part and delete it. And then if I turn my white back on, then go to my preview lines, you can see they're going to cut right up against each other. That way there's no overlap. Okay, so that's with knockout. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that, and I'm going to delete my extra hat, and I'm going to select both of these, and I'm going to just hold the Alt key down, left click, and drag a copy over here. Alright, and then these are 1 layer, and this is 1 layer. And the red is on the bottom of the white. So I'm going to go ahead and select all of this again. I'm going to copy, paste in place, and then I'm going to turn those 2 layers off so that I can left click and drag over these 2. Now to get the same effect, you can go to Path, Back minus Front. And then you can turn your white layer back on, go to your preview, and this is how it will cut. So that's 2 ways of eliminating your overlapping lines. Thanks for watching.